Hi, that's me, but I've grown up a bit since then. I'm Aubrey Golden, and I'm a research assistant at the Cognition and Context Lab. Growing up is something we all share. We grow, develop, and evolve over time despite starting out small, barely able to hold our own 2 feet up. And our parents started here too, and so did their parents. As we grow up, the brain organizes and reorganizes itself based on our experiences, setting us up for adulthood. The brain starts out with a plan from the genes we get from our parents, but our environment can adjust this plan, and our early experiences have a big impact. Since our brains are so plastic early on, I've been curious about what impacts cognition, or the ability to think and process, into adulthood. Supportive parenting behavior through learning tasks is sometimes called scaffolding. Scaffolding has been correlated with cognitive development outcomes, like executive function development, a lot over the last couple decades. Scaffolding can be measured through how cognitive, emotional, and autonomy support is given from the parent to the child. So, your parent's ability to offer these types of support while your brain soaks up all the rich experiences of toddlerhood through adolescence helps prepare you for your own adult life. But what do these types of supports look like? Cognitive support involves helping a child understand a task, like a parent providing instruction. Emotional support involves helping children recognize and manage mental states and emotion, like offering praise. And autonomy support involves encouraging and fostering autonomy and independence in problem solving, like asking leading questions. At the UC Davis Cognition and Context Lab, I wanted to know how parents' own positive childhood experiences and their attachment type are related to how they scaffold their child, and how this might be reflected in their child's behavior. Attachment has been studied for decades too, and may have implications in how we understand ourselves and connect in meaningful relationships. To examine these constructs, we met with over 25 parent and child pairs over Zoom and had them complete a virtual Etch-a-Sketch task where they worked together to copy an image of a house. We also had the parent fill out questionnaires online asking about their positive childhood experiences, their attachment style, and their child's behavior in different settings. This study will offer insight into what constructs play a role in how parents scaffold their child, potentially impacting their child's development. All of the little moments that pass us by might just be the ones that count the most, and although all of our experiences are unique, it's important to remember we share something in common. We grow, develop, and evolve.